Today is India's 74th Independence Day, and our COVID warriors like doctors, nurses, and policemen are on the front line of our battle against COVID, just like our freedom fighters were. So, a great salute to all of them. Today, I would like to appeal to our Education Minister, Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, sir. Please open up your mind and heart when you take a decision for us, because we are, of course, the future of India. And, sir, you have not let us down. Please ensure everybody's safety and good health. I would like to fight for a simple cause that everybody should get an equal opportunity to write the exam. Whether it was the students who appealed to the Supreme Court from the Gulf countries, or if it is a COVID positive student, or if it is someone living in a containment zone. Because we are not one group against the other. We are all giving the same exam, and we should think about everyone too, right? If anything unfortunate happens, no one will take responsibility. When you go to Google and you search up the COVID stats, it just seems like numbers. From far, it may seem as stats, but when you are actually in that position, it feels completely different. So my appeal to everybody, students, parents, ministers, everybody, is to open up our thought process this Independence Day. And students, we can get better at what we do. We can get better at our studies, and we can get better at improving our mental health. But what's of foremost importance is to treat every citizen as an equal, because we all are in this together. Thanks. So it all boils down to now what we can do. And what are the 3 things we can do? And the first and foremost thing is to keep yourself safe and healthy. Stay at home, take on necessary precautions, both physically and mentally. The second thing is, by not turning NEET and JEE exams into a war, postpone versus don't postpone, please just be considerate for everybody. That's my humble request. And of course, we are students, we must do our duty, we must study for exams and make our parents proud and make ourselves proud.